Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. And I just want to take the time to thank Diane from All America Selections for sending me the All America Selection winter seeds. These seeds cover really, I think, from 2015 all the way through 2020. These are the seeds that are going out to the 4 winners for the 2020 preview garden. I want to welcome Gina, Matt, Tammy, and Cynthia. We're all planting similar seeds. We're going to get that started really over the next, 4 or 5 weeks, planting the garden, and we'll be doing a whole lot come 2020. So I hope you guys got your seeds. I didn't ruin a surprise, but you're going to get a big box filled with All America Selections winners. And I'm going to ask Diane to come and introduce herself. I think some of you may know her name, but she is the one who manages this wonderful nonprofit organization that's been around for 85 years. And you guys are going to be getting some other stuff in the mail. So tons of seeds. I'm really excited about the preview garden, and I will be in touch with you all. Have a great day.